scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Production functions can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's look at how inputs like labor and wood affect the total output quantity. Returns to scale describe the relationship between a proportional increase in all inputs and the resulting change in output. We need to see if the output matches the input growth exactly. When Gale Furniture doubles all of its inputs like labor and capital, the problem states that the total quantity of office desks doubles as well. This is a perfect 1-to-1 ratio. The percentage increase in output equals the percentage increase in inputs. This relationship defines constant returns to scale, making option C the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps for option C.